Choose the right attachment. Most massage guns come with various attachment heads designed for different purposes, such as targeting specific muscle groups or providing different intensities of massage. Choose the attachment head that best suits your needs. Turn on the device. Depending on the model, you may need to charge your massage gun or plug it into a power source. Once it's charged or connected, turn on the device using the power button or switch. Adjust speed and intensity. Most massage guns offer multiple speed or intensity settings. Start with a lower speed or intensity setting, especially if you're new to using a massage gun or if you're targeting a sensitive area. You can gradually increase the speed or intensity as needed. Apply light pressure. Hold the massage gun firmly against your skin, but avoid applying too much pressure. Let the massage gun do the work and allow the attachments to glide smoothly over your skin. Move the massage gun around. Slowly move the massage gun around the area you want to massage, targeting different muscle groups and angles. You can experiment with different techniques, such as circular motions, long strokes, or focusing on trigger points. Avoid bony areas and joints. Be cautious when using the massage gun around bony areas or joints, as excessive pressure in these areas can be uncomfortable or even painful. Focus on the muscles surrounding these areas instead. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow and stay informed.